What are same difference problems and how do we solve them? That is what we will be covering in today's video. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and enjoy the video. The ratio of the number of yellow balls to the number of red balls in a box was 9:5 at first. After 6 yellow balls and 6 red balls were added to the box, the ratio became 5:3. How many yellow balls were there in the box at first? Label yellow, red, before, after. Before, the ratio was 9:5, and after, the ratio was 5:3. Then put a +6 in between. Now, we want to find the difference. How? We subtract the smaller number from the larger number. So these two numbers are your difference. Next, we want to make the difference the same. How? Multiply 2 by 2. And when you do that, you also have to multiply the numbers in the after row by 2. Now, can you see that each color from the before to after row increased by 1 unit? So, 1 unit is 6. How many yellow balls were in the box at first? At first, there were 9 units of yellow beads. 9 units equals to 9 times 6, which is 54. Your final answer should be 54. If you learned something from this video, please make sure to smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.